Everyone's here?
These guys are the real deal.
It's some sort of robot thing, right?
Yeah?
All right, guys.
All right, let's get started.
Good morning, guys. We're excited to see what you have in store for us.
You betcha, Gil. We are so pumped to share
Bob,
your special
we can't see anything.
Ladies and gentlemen, the future of Kitty Home Entertainment and
Bob? Hey, Bob?
amazing catnip! Yeah!
Guys, can we interrupt you for a second?
We can't see anything.
Hello?
What this does is it senses moisture. And it grabs up all that waste.
This is gross.
So in closing, what we're trying to say is...
What do you guys think? What'd you think?
Oh, Bob. We're just gonna wrap it up. I think we're good. We're good.
We nailed it. Your pitching is insane.
Be sure your ideas are seen and heard with MeetUp. Featuring a super wide field of view, all-in-one design with microphones and speakers, and 4K Ultra HD with 5x zoom.
Really?
I liked it.